Sorry, didn't see you there. I was having a moment with Kelly. Hello. I love this bag. I can't wait to talk about it. Ah! You guys. This feels like Mary-Kate and Ashley. How they just use their bags. And they kind of just, like, it's just there. It's a bag to be used as a bag. Okay? Kelly appreciation video of this Kelly. Yeah, I'm going to talk about wearing it, styling it, what I like and don't like as a guy. You guys, I love this bag. I love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. And I'm a fashion freak, a go-yard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic, head, and Hermes. And today I'm going to be doing a little Kelly appreciation video of this Kelly behind me. Yes, I named him. I made him a him. Because, well, you know what? Why? All bags are girls. There are some boy bags besides the Chanel boy bag. And this is my boy bag. I know I'm going to talk about what I like, what I don't like, wear and tear, use, styling it, how to wear it, different ways to wear it, things like that. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Yeah, I'm going to talk about wearing it, styling it, what I like and don't like as a guy. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. And I have different ways to wear it too. We're still working to a Birkin or a Kelly, a new one. This one my auntie gave me, and it's a little old, and you know, I'm just borrowing it just to kind of see how it feels, and I love it. I love it. I love how it feels. I love holding it. It gives me power. It gives me confidence. It gives me love. It gives me everything. It literally, it just feels so good in your hands. I can't explain how good this feels and what it makes you feel, and you just feel, that's all I can explain, right? That's how I explain. So let's talk about this. First of all, you guys, I don't know what it is about this bag, but like, holding it, it makes me feel alive. It makes me feel complete. It makes me feel whole. It makes me feel important. It makes me feel pretty. It makes me feel handsome. It makes me feel powerful. It makes me feel confident. It makes me feel like I can do anything. And this color, I love this color, you guys, because it's like a pop. It's like a rich, deep color. It's enough of a pop of a color to make it a statement because it's kind of a purple, kind of a pink, kind of a burgundy, but it's not so much of a pop of color that it's like very recognizable. Like it's also still kind of a neutral. It's like a neutral, deep pop of color. And then you can, you know, add these to add even more color. The color is Bois de Rose, which I love saying Bois de Rose. It's from 2010. Hermès Kelly 35 Return Palladium Hardware from the 2010 collection. You guys, this bag is perfect size. Like the 35 is not so big that it's too big, but it like feels, this is my size. This is my size. Although I could do a 40 too. But this just feels like it's big enough. A 30 is a little smaller, but... So I know there's a lot of people that hate on these bags. I know there's a lot of people that, you know, whatever. Everyone to each their own. And this is not like an endorsement or anything like that. This is not like a... And I know these are expensive. I know it's like, you know, the money thing, it's relative. Everyone has their different financials, and like this is an expensive bag. It's like, even, you know, if you're making, no matter how much money you're making, this is still an expensive bag. You know, like but I think that it's worth it. I think that the confidence, I think that the makes me feel is worth that money. If I wear it, you know, let's say it's a $10,000 bag. If I wear it 10,000 times, it's $1 a day. I always like to think about that. 10,000 times is what? Oh. That's like wearing it every day for like 30 years. Is that math right? Yeah, so if you wear it every day for 30 years, then it's $1 a day. I probably wouldn't do that. But then, you know what? If you wear it every day for 10 years, that's $3 a day or whatever. You know, like, or if it's like $10 a day. $10 a day, you just have to wear it 1,000 times. Think about it like that, right? If you wear it 1,000 times, it's $10 a day. 1,000 times is 3 years. Over your lifetime, I think that's doable. Anyway, okay. I love this bag. I don't know how else to tell you. Okay, so I like wearing it like this, actually, so I do have my little droopies, but let's forget those for a second. I like having this thing to protect it. It just makes it feel a little more complete. But I wear the droopies like this. The droopies. They're called the sangles. The sangles. But I like to wear it like that, where it's a little open, and you just can twist this and then take everything out that you need to get into. I have bag organizers in here. it smells like new leather. Still smells so good. If I want it to be fully closed, I'll do it like this. Sometimes I'll do it like this, where I like close it, but then don't close it so that they're hanging on the outside. Kind of like that, because it still keeps pretty tight. And then you can also twist this. When you twist it, it holds it. So like, that's a good little hack. The corners do get worn. This does have corner wear, you know, but for a 12-year-old bag, I think that's pretty good. And it does have a couple of, I mean, it's Clemence, so it's a little heavier. It's definitely a heavier leather. Like, I don't have that much in here, and this feels heavy. And every time someone grabs from me, they're like, that's really heavy. So it is not a light bag. This is a 35, but I think for like, it's like big enough where it doesn't feel, you can hold it like, thank you. You can kind of hold it like this. It almost feels like a briefcase, especially if you close it up. Like, it feels briefcasey. Like from the side, that's what it looked like for, you know, if you're carrying it as a guy, it feels like kind of like almost a briefcase. I mean, if you wear it obviously in the crook of your arm, it's a little more pursy, but I do like that look too. It looks kind of cool, especially when it's open. I also like to wear it open. I mean, like, you can just, I mean, you can wear it like this, obviously. You can also wear it like completely open like that. And like people online talk about how this like flips back and like is hard, but I haven't had that. Especially if you just go like that, like you can hold it like that open and it's not the end of the world. Like it looks, it's still like, and you can kind of just do that, tuck it in a little bit. I mean, you can obviously do this, or you can pull these out all the way. So it's like very open and kind of carry it like that. I mean, I've been carrying it like this almost, like that. Which makes it feel even more like briefcasey. I don't know, I feel like it, especially in the return style where it's not as structured, it's just a little more lax and a little more casual. And I can kind of just like toss it around. You can also wear it obviously over the shoulder like this. It's not like, when it's like that, yeah. When it's like this, it's like, I think it's kind of cool. And then crossbody, I think might be my favorite way of wearing it, like this. Kind of like this. When it's crossbody, I think I close it because, or at least like somewhat close it because, you know, then it's a little more like right in you. You can keep these tucked under too. There's a look like that. If you wear crossbody, or you can close it all the way if you wear crossbody, you know? Please hold for technicals. Then I would put one down. Like that. And that's kind of how it looks on the side. Here. I'll do a couple poses. Okay, crossbody. Kind of what it looks like. This way. I mean, I kind of like it like this. It's very... It feels almost like a... You know. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Guys, this is like a dream bag. It just feels so nice. It feels like it's part of me. It feels amazing. I don't know how to explain it. Then you can wear it over the shoulder, kind of like that. That's what it looks like that, or like kind of like this. That. I don't know. Also wear it like this, kind of. Or drop the thing. Or take the strap off completely, but this is kind of like what it would look like as a brief. And then crook of arm. Crook of arm. And you can kind of like, I like it better than left. You can kind of like, you can wear it like that too, I guess. I don't know. That's kind of how you would carry it. You can also wear it this way where you don't really show as much. And it's kind of like that. That's what it looked like if you're not trying to really... And of course how Hermès Kelly carried it. To cover her bump. Hello. Hello! Yeah, okay, and then if you open it, let's see it open. So this is like semi-open. Excuse me. Kind of what it looks like that. Kind of like that look. A little more. I think like that. It's like on the go. You got shit to do. You got things to do, but it's easily openable. And then here's what it would look like open, right? You're just carrying it open, kind of like that. You know, that's what it would look like there. That's what it would look like there. I kind of also really like this. I really like the open look. I think people say they don't, but like, I love just open because it's easy accessible. You can get all your stuff and then you just kind of do that. You can close it if you want. You don't have to, but like, it's so... Go all the way like that kind of look. I mean, that. Okay, hold on, let's do that. Like that. Yeah, all the way open, kind of like that. That's my look. Like this feels like Mary-Kate and Ashley. Like how they just use their bags. And they kind of just, like, it's just there. It's a bag to be used as a bag. Okay? Look, I love this bag, and I use it as a bag because, like, it's supposed to be used as a bag. Like, I want it to be like Mary-Kate and Ashley, how they just, like, it's just used and has a life, and, like, they use it, you know? And I like that. It's a bag that should be used, not, like, kept perfected for, I mean, if you want to resell it, I guess, but, like, I like that it feels a little, I don't know. I just love. Here guys, I just love it. I love it so much. I don't know. You guys, this bag is everything. And yeah, wear and tear. Okay, yeah, so it does have some wear here on the corners. There's a scratch, there's that. These things are very scratched up. If you see, it's like very scratchy here. These are very scratched up. You know, it does get wear very easily. I do like this, keeping this here to keep this protected, but like it does have some scuffs. Mind you, this is 10 years. Like it's still in really good condition. 12 years. This is 12 years. It's got some stuff inside, some scuffs in there. You know, it's meant to be used. I do love this bag so much. Oh my God. It can fit a lot. You can literally, like, these organizers aren't meant for this, but they work. I have these two little, like, insert organizers. Like, this one's a zip, and this one's got 3 little thingies, and it's Velcro on the sides because it's supposed to, like, Velcro to a bigger size that fits for my, like, size 40 bags. But it fits kind of pretty perfectly in there. I definitely think you should get an organizer to keep the inside a little safer and secure because, you know, throwing things in and out. But it can carry a lot. It's quite, I mean, like, even with both of these, there's still, like, so much more space. It's pretty spacious. It does get heavy. Like this, like every time I show it to someone, they're like, that's heavy. Like when they pick it up and look at it, and it doesn't even have that much in it. Like right now I just have like hand sanitizer. Like I have like little, like those kind of thingies. And then I have these two, like my journaling thing, my wallet, some money. Like there's not that much in here. There's no water bottle. There's no like a book. Like you can fit a water bottle, a book. You can fit a lot of stuff. You can fit your phone in here in a couple of the straps. Like you can fit a lot more. There's nothing in the zip thing, but you can fit a lot more. But it will get heavy. It will get heavy, so it'll get kind of heavy holding it like this. But that's why I do love the crossbody. You guys, I'm on my way working to my Birkin, but I do love this Kelly. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share this video with your friends and family. If you hate it, please share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me.